Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to make unique transitions in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have my two clips right here and I want to make a transition between them. And to make it unique, we want to layer the different transitions on top of each other. I will explain you now how that works. At first we go to Effects, and then under Video Transitions you can see all your transitions. Let's say I want to start with a normal circle transition. Here you can see it. Just take it and drop it right here so it begins with the first clip and ends here with the second one. Now we can just let it play, and now it looks like this. Perfect. Now what you want to do is just hover over the two clips and the transition. Then right click and then go to new compound clip. Then what I like to do is just give it the same name as the transition that you used. So it's circles, and then just hit create. And now everything is still the same, but now it's just one clip. Perfect. Then what you want to do with your cursor, you go to the beginning of the effect, like for example right here. Then we want to cut it at this point. So I'm on Mac, I use the Command plus B, like this. And as you can see, now here is another cut. Then what you want to do is go over to Effects and use the next effect. I'm going to take the drop warp effect. Just put it on top of these clips again. And now it looks like this, as you can see. So it uses the circles and this little shaky effect. Perfect. Then if you want to do more, you can just highlight them all, right click, new compound clip, drop warp, like this, create, and then just at the beginning of the thing, like here for example, Command plus B for a cut. And now let's say we want to use the camera shake effect. Just put it on top of this. And now let's see how it looks. Okay, it's a bit laggy, but it should definitely work. If you go to your media pool, the upper left, here you can also see the two different compound clips, circles and drop warp. And of course you can edit them however you like. Okay, that was a little hack on how to make unique transitions in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.